Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is part 8 of our series of video of our playlist Tally's latest release 7.0. So we are exploring the option of backup. So in the couple of videos we have seen how to manage backup with one-time backup, full backup, incremental backup, and in the previous video we saw managing of backup also. In this video we will learn how are we now going to restore the backup from TallyDrive and what are the different versions of backups are there and how would you know that which one is the latest version so that you can restore them just in case if your data is corrupted or for some reason you want to restore the backup. Let us go to Tally and explore the option of restoring the backup from TallyDrive. The restoration of data experience is as we have been restoring data from the local drive. Earlier, each backup file was separate. Now, with the new backup feature, we can explore how the experience of restoring data has changed. I have already logged into TallyDrive using my credentials. Now to restore the data, all we have to do is click on data here, select backup and restore, and now you select restore. Notice the restore destination path here on top. Press backspace, and if we want to change the destination, we can do so by selecting the folder from the drive, or if you know the file path, you can specify by selecting specify path. Let me select from the drive and select D drive and just type data and let me select data here. So this is what is going to be my restore data path. So I enter and make sure that the restore data path is the path and the file that you intend to restore the backup. Now to select the company, since our backup is there on TallyDrive, click on TallyDrive and select TallyDrive. Tally will again verify your TallyNet ID. As we had already logged in, no password is required. Now you can view the list of companies that have been backed up, the date of backup and the time of backup. Let us select potential solution. The moment you select the backup, Tally lists your backup sequence with the date and time. This way you will know which backup is the latest, and by default if you notice Tally is already selected the latest backup. Just press enter, and now if you want to select more companies to restore you can do so. I will select end of list and press enter. Press enter to accept. Now the restore activity is started, but it is going to now ask for the password. We need the password to complete the restore activity. In case we forget, the restore activity will be terminated. The alternative is to select the recovery key that was mailed to the specified email address, copy it from there and paste it here. The restore will start and it will complete. Let me enter the password I had provided while backing up the data. Enter, and now you see the restore is completed. Let us view it in the destination folder. You will see that under D drive, under the data folder, this company has been restored, and now you can access the company in Tally and start capturing data in this company. I hope the steps that we saw in the video would definitely help you to now confidently manage your backup and also restore the backup as and when it is required. So, thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.